y'all doing?
What's going on, bro?
I'm living that dream.
Yeah.
I'm just going fishing today.
Right.
Hey, officer, how are you doing today? Living that dream? That's what I'm saying, man. America! America! Come on, man. God damn, son. Hey, buddy. Hey, you better calm down with the Florida man. Florida man right here. Florida man. Let's see if the cops have something to say about this today. You got anything to say about this? It looks good, don't it? I'll trade you right now. Yeah, yes, sir. And this is an AR-15, 5.56, 7.5 inch barrel. And it's just sexy. That's all I can say. I can just say it's sexy. Ooh wee, ooh wee, ooh wee. Yes, sir. Only in Florida, right? Yeah, buddy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, bro. Pound it. Pound it. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, 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 hey. Pound it. Pound it. Hey. Yes, sir. Hey, no. You can't touch my fishing pole, bro. That's not the way it works. I'm just fucking with you, bro. Yes, sir.
YouTube, right?
Thank you. I appreciate it, man. Oh, hold on. Let me make sure this camera's rolling. Oh, camera's rolling. Yes.
No, he has a YouTube channel.
I have a YouTube channel. Hold on. Let me get my card out real quick. Let me get my card out. You're doing it on it right now. Yes, sir.
I like it, right?
Yes, sir.
Hey, God bless you.
God bless you. Hey, only while you're fishing, hunting, or camping.
What did I tell you, man? That's what I'm saying. If you can't catch the fish with a pole, you're going to shoot them.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
I know it.
Hey. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I've watched
Yes, sir.
Yo, is it cool if I take a picture?
Yes, sir. Hey, if you want a picture, they're $500 each. Dog.
Hey, man.
Hey.
I'm so glad
Man, I wish I could hit that shit right now, dog. That's what I'm talking about, brother. Baby, 2A all the way. That's what I'm saying, bro.
I fucking love it.
Oh, yeah.
I love this shirt, bro. I don't have an AK yet.
Don't matter. Don't matter.
I'll trade you. I'll trade you the AR for the shirt. AR for the shirt.
Bro, I live in fucking New York.
Oh shit! I feel your pain, bro.
Horrible. I literally got an FFL just so we didn't have to deal with the bullshit.
Yeah. Welcome to Florida, bro. As long as you're fishing, hunting, or camping, you can do what I'm doing right now.
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah.
In your video, bro.
I appreciate the support, brother. Oh, sorry. Come on, yeah, we got to get in there. Yes, sir.
And then he's got on a weight vest?
No, it's not a weight vest. This is a level 4 plate. I'm stopping anything cops can shoot at me. Put it up, put it up. Yes, sir. As long as you're going fishing, hunting, or camping.
And that's a pistol, right?
I'm going fishing.
But that's a pistol, right?
What? No, go fuck.
Hey,
Am I being detained?
right now we got to.
Am I being detained?
Come over there.
Am I being?
Walk over there.
No.
Walk over there. Do you have a fishing license right now?
901.
Okay, walk over there. Walk over there now.
Hold on. He's gonna try. He gonna try. He gonna try. Look at that. That right there. That's my fishing license,
You have
man.
your fishing license?
Yeah, right there. And that's all. No, I'm not. Under 379.354, you are not commissioned officers, and I do not have to give my fishing license to you. Get FWC out here right now. Bye.
Hey,
What?
You're not free to go.
Oh, I'm
You're gonna do that. It's your official license. Fishing license. You have a fishing license?
I just showed it to him. I just showed it to him.
You showed him your fishing license?
Yes. It's valid. Ah, you guys are a bunch of...
Stop.
Oh, look. Why you guys... Hold on.
We need to verify it and verify
No.
Whoa, and verify it's you.
379.
I don't know this from anybody else.
379.354.
He doesn't give a shit.
You don't give a shit about my right?
We do care. We do care.
I do care. 379.354.
I've been looking at it yet. You're yelling at me, putting your finger in my face. Calm down, bro.
You guys are all a bunch of tyrant. Yeah, you got it. Look at
Look at the
it.
date yet. Can you relax?
No, I'm. What crime do you suspect me of, bro? Fuck. You're all a bunch of pieces. What are you gonna do? Let's go. Yeah, salt water, buddy. Salt water.
17.
Salt water. You're a dumb.
Fresh water.
What's that say? Saltwater fishing, 7/8/2021 to 2022.
Fingers in the way.
Give me the license back.
So you are Michael Davis Taylor?
Shut the. I don't care.
So you Michael Davis Taylor?
901-151. What crime do you? It just came out of my wallet.
Can we verify that you are this person?
That is me. I just gave it to
I need to
you.
verify by your license.
Hey.
Are we going fishing?
I'm going fishing. You and fuck.
Verify it.
That's my fishing license. Nope, that's not how the law works. Look the law up.
How do I know this is you?
Because it's my fishing license. Talk to FWC.
I don't know if
Talk to FWC. Yeah, record. Talk to FWC. That's not my problem, bro. 379.354 of the Florida statute.
I understand, Mr. Taylor.
You just violated my
I
rights.
didn't violate anything.
What's your name and badge number? What's your name and badge number? Name and badge number.
What's your license?
Name
Do you have your license?
name and badge number.
Please.
I give two. You're not gonna get my ID.
I just want to look at it. See that it's you.
Look, it's me.
Don't know your ID.
It's not gonna happen. That's under the law. I do not have to provide my ID.
Okay, I'm asking you.
Yeah, everybody record. Yeah, look at that. All these guys. Fuck you. I'm going fishing, bro. You are violating my constitutional rights right now. I don't know this guy. I only know you right now, and all of you are violating my rights. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Am I free to go, or am I still detained?
I don't know who this is.
Am I still detained? You got my fishing ID.
Hey,
Look at
I'm
that
with
shit.
you, bro.
Look at that
I'm
shit.
going fishing.
Fuck
Get that
these
shit,
guys.
dude.
There ain't nothing you can do about it, bro. Nothing. Nothing.
It all works itself out, right?
You're a tyrant at the end of the day.
They were a tyrant.
Why you guys gotta harass that?
Hey, Hey, there's actually a statue.
I'm just saying it's legal. All these people saying it's legal. You don't hear them all?
You don't hear him? You're a tyrant. You're a 379.354. I already know the law. You're looking it up on Google. No. Give me my license back and let me go about my day. My license.
I don't know where it came from.
It just came out of my pocket, dumb shit. You. What the f to do? Not a thing. Give me my license back, dude. I'm about to go fishing. There's actually a there's a statute. There's statute for harassment of fishermen. You're harassing me right now.
For everything in Florida. I know those statutes for everything.
Yeah. What's your name and badge number? Name and badge number. Name and badge number. Name and badge number.
What's the statute for that?
Name and badge number. You're a public servant.
I got you, bro.
I appreciate it. America. Hey, don't. These guys aren't hurting nobody. You're a tyrant because. Oh, you're so snowflake, dude. Stop being a snowflake. You picked up that badge and gun for a reason, right?
Not all of them.
To protect my rights. You picked up that badge and gun to protect my rights, and you're sitting here violating everybody else around. You, buddy. Come on. Give me my license back so I can get... Are we done?
Can we go fishing?
I just want to go fishing.
Can we go fishing?
Dude, can I get my... All a bunch of tyrants. Tyrant.
Around here. Hey.
Tyrant. That smug look on your face. Yourself, dude. I warned your buddies. I warned all your buddies that I was gonna walk through here, and here we are. There ain't nothing you can do about it. Up. Hey, who's got it? America! My bad. America!
That's why we love this.
America! Man, dude. I like you. You're nice. Thank you for protecting me. Record these stupid. Hey, where'd that cop go with my... I'm out here. He's got... Yeah, give me my license. For what? For what? What are you gonna do? Hey, you know the deal, bro.
I do know the deal.
Give me my... Let me go about my day. You are actually...
No, he used to work for Fort Orange. No, you got it wrong. So shut the fuck up.
Yeah, shut. You don't know shit. You don't know shit. Harassment of fishermen. Hey, you read that? 379.105. You are actually, you are all harassing me while I'm going to try to go fishing. What's up, buddy? Give me my license and let me go about my day.
I'm gonna give you your
I don't give a... Give me my license, I'm gonna go fishing.
I read the statute. The statute said you can't have somebody else's fishing license. So
That's my fishing license.
you can't prove that to me without showing me your ID.
Where we at?
Say your name.
Where we at? Where we at?
I have no problem.
Where we at?
Going to fishing.
Where we go? Then let me go.
Can you show me your identification? Okay.
Nope. I don't have an ID. I don't have an ID.
Can I have your name and date of birth?
Yeah, it's right there.
Okay. Okay.
You're not even a good investigator.
Your date of birth is what?
7/21. Out of here. Give me my license back. You are actually violating my constitutional rights. Name and badge number. Name and badge number. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Go. Hey, give me my fishing license.
As soon as we're done, we're going to give it to you, sir. We're going to
You're violating my constitutional rights. You're a tyrant. I get it. And at the end of the day, when she runs it, I'm gonna walk away and I'm gonna still say, "You're a yeah." What's your name and badge number?
I don't have a badge number. I'm not giving
What's your ID number?
They don't have them because they don't want to know who they are.
I want his body cam. How do I get your body cam? I can't see your name underneath this fucking yellow jacket.
So you know.
179.
Once I verify who you are, I'll tell you who I am.
My cameras are here.
Can I get my?
My cameras are here. I'll tell you why, man.
That doesn't match that.
It matches, dude. I know who I am.
There's a lot of cameras here. You know who I am? You probably don't care, but I'll take your job in a minute.
Y'all are all butthurt because
Like a redneck, right?
here we are. Here we are.
That's like
I'm gonna come back to.
Citizen walking.
I'm gonna keep walking down here. You think this ends today? I'm gonna walk through here during spring break. I'm gonna walk through here every day.
You're violating constitutional rights right now.
License back and let me go about my. I don't know none of these. I want to go fishing.
No. You see, that's what you're wrong.
Can I get my fishing license back? Hi. Hey, buddy. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Hey, officer, go fuck. All right, everybody. I don't know what happened, but this last file, the last like 3 minutes of this video, the file was corrupt. I don't know what happened. Don't know why it happened. I'm trying to work on it, but obviously I can't use it. But obviously, the end of it, basically, I ended up getting my my fishing license back from them after they actually took it out of my hand. I showed it to him, and the officer grabbed it out of my hand. I didn't just give it to him; he grabbed it. But anyway, that being said, I wanted to let everybody know, if you are interested in coming to Titusville, please email me. The day is coming very shortly. So if you are interested, you need to email me at thearmedfisherman@gmail.com so that you know what day to be there. And we also have a giveaway, the TRL-1 Streamlight flashlight for your handgun. As long as you have a rail mount on your handgun, you can attach this light to it. You need to subscribe to Gary Pixley's channel. You need to subscribe to my channel as well, and that way you and as soon as Gary hits 1,000 and I hit 65,000, we'll be giving that away. So make sure you're sending your email to thearmedfisherman@gmail.com, and make sure you're subscribing to Gary Pixley and myself. So, and thank you for watching. Solely Ecker, deuces.